Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So here, your teacher, Miss Anupama from Vidya Bhagwan School. So students, today I will teach you maths. In maths, we are doing chapter 3, subtraction. And today, we will complete our chapter subtraction. Then after that, I will send you a PDF in test form. You have to solve it and upload it on our school app. Okay, so that PDF will totally based on chapter 3 subtraction, and today's our topic is mental maths corner. So today no need to use paper or pen, no need to use any notebook. We will do calculation in our mind. Okay, so let's start our today's topic, mental maths corner. So today we will do mental maths. Mental maths, it means we have to do calculation in our mind. Okay. So some questions I will solve for you in notebook, and some are we will calculate in our mind. Okay. So first question is find the difference. So we have to subtract and find the difference. So A question is 60 minus 10. So it is very easy. We can calculate this in our mind. 60 minus 0. So firstly we will start from ones. Here at ones place 0 and here at ones place 0. So 0 minus 0, that is 0. So write 0. Okay. Now at tens place here is 6 and here is 1. So 6 minus 1, that is 5. So write 5. Okay. So the difference is 50. Now B question is 600 minus 100. So again what we have to start? We have to start from ones column, 0 minus 0. 0 and 0. Again we will write 0. Now tens, 0 minus 0, 0. Now 6 minus 1, that is 5. So write 5. So 600 minus 100 equal to 500. Now C is 5000 minus 2000. So we all know that 0 minus 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay. Now 5 minus 2, that is 3. So write 3. Okay. So 5000 minus 2000 equal to 3000 is the difference. Now question 2 is fill in the blanks. We have to fill these blanks. A question is if 625 plus 207 equal to 832, then 832 minus dash equal to 625. So if we remember that we have done this topic, this is subtraction fact. Here we have give addition fact. Okay. Now we have to calculate subtraction fact. So one number is given here, that is sum, and here 625 is given. We have to find this number. So when we subtract first number from sum, we get the second number. When we subtract second number from sum, we get the first number. So here first number is given and second number is missing. So the answer will be 207. Okay. When we subtract 207 from 832, we get the answer 625. Okay. Similarly here 930, that is sum, is given. We have given second number. So what is missing? First number. So when we subtract 430 from 930, we get the answer 500. Okay. Now C. In C question we have given subtraction fact. Okay. And we have to calculate the second addend. Here we have given 360 and 600. So we have to calculate the second addend. So how we can calculate? we subtract 360 from 600, then we get our second addend, that is 240. And when you add 360 plus 240, you get the answer 600. You can check it. Okay. Now D is, if 830 minus 270 equal to 560, then 560 plus dash equal to 830. So what we have to do? Here we have given the sum, that is 560, and we have given the first number. Okay. 830. We have given here 830. So what is missing? Second addend. So what we will do? We will add the missing number, that is 270. And when we add 560 plus 270, we get the answer 830. Okay. Next question is question 3. What must be added to 2345 to get 4500? So here we have given the sum and first addend. Okay. Second addend. We have to find the first one. So for finding the first addend, what we will do? We will subtract this number 2345 to 4500, then we will get the answer. So here what I am doing, we will subtract 2345 from 4500. Okay. So here is 0. So 0 minus 5 is not possible. So what we will do? We will take from here. We will take borrow from this number. Here is also 0. So we can't borrow from here. So we will move here and we borrow from 5. We will borrow from 5. Then 5 give 1 to 0. So 0 become 1 0 10 and 5 will become 4. Okay. Now 10 give 1 to this 0. So here this 0 will become 10, and here after giving 1, here is 9 left. Okay. Now 10 minus 5, that is 5. Okay. So write 5 here. Now 9 minus 4, that is 5. So write 5 here. Okay. Now here is 4 left. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. So write 1. Now 4 minus 2, that is 2. So write here 2. So our answer is 2155. So write here 2155. Okay, this is the answer. Now next question is, what number must be subtracted from 6420 to get 4350? For answer, again we have to do subtraction. Okay, so 6420 4350. So we have to subtract 4350 from 6420. Okay, so 0 minus 0, we all know that 0. 2 minus 5, yes, it is not possible. So what we will do? We will take borrow from 4. So after giving 1, here is 3 left and 2 become 1 to 12. Okay. Now 12 minus 5, that is 12 minus 5. You can start backward counting. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 7. Write 7. Now here is 3 left. 3 minus 3, that is 0. 6 minus 4. We all know that 6 minus 4 is 2. So answer is 2070. Okay. So write here 2070. This number we get 2070. Okay. So when we subtract 2070 from 6420, we get this number. Okay. Now question 5 is fill in the boxes with plus or minus sign. So here we have to put plus or minus sign, then we get these number. Okay. So A part is 750 dash 350 dash 100 equal to 300. So which sign will come here? Firstly, we will subtract 750 from, we will subtract 350 from 750. Then we get the answer. What we will get? So we can check here. 750 minus 350, 0 minus 0, 5 minus 5, that is 0, and 7 minus 3, that is 4. Okay. Now 400. Now 400 we get, so here we put the sign of minus. 750 minus 350, that is 400. Okay. Now 400 minus 100, we get the answer 300. So here in both column we put the sign of subtraction, minus. Okay. Now B part. Okay. 620 dash 300 dash 200. So in this, what we will do, firstly we will add 620 to 200. 620 to 200, when we add, zero plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, and 6 plus 2, we all know that 6 7 8. So write 8, 820. Okay. Now when we add 620 plus 200, we get the answer 820. Okay. Now 820 minus 300, what we will get? We will get 520. So here we put the sign of minus, and here we put the sign of add. Because we add 200 to 620, we get the answer 820, and we subtract 300 from 820, then we get the answer 520. This is the answer. Okay. So we solve mental maths question. Now MCQ question we are going to solve. Question 1 is, what do we get on simplifying 280 minus 116 plus 545? So in this, what we will do firstly we will add this number 545 to 280. Okay. Then we get the answer, then we subtract 116 from that answer. Okay. So firstly I'm going to add 545 280. Okay. Then 5 plus 0, we all know that 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 and 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 2 here, 1 carry over. 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 1, 8. So 825. Okay. 825. Now we have to subtract 116. So 825 subtract 116 from 825. So 5 minus 6 is not possible. So what we will do, we will take borrow from this number 2. After giving 1, it will become 1 5 15, and here 1 is left. Now 15 minus 6 is 9. You can start backward counting from 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So answer is 9. Right here 9. Here is 1 left. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, that is 7. So answer is 709. So where is 709? 790, 719, 709. So this is the answer. Okay. So question 2 is, how much is 980 less than 1800? So what we have to do, we have to subtract 980 from 1800, then we get the answer. So 1800 minus 980. Okay. So we all know that 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 minus 8, that is not possible. So what we will do, we will take borrow from 8. Then after giving 1, 0 will become 1 0 10 and 8 will become 7. Okay. Now 10 minus 8, that is 2. Okay. And 7 minus 9, it is not possible again. So what we will do, we will take borrow from here. Here is 1. After giving 1 here, it will become 0 and 7 will become 1 7 17. Now 17 minus 9, start backward counting from 17, open 9 fingers. Okay. Then 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So answer is 8. Okay. Now here 0. So answer is 820. So where is 820? 812, 280, 820. So answer is 820. Now question 3 is, what is the difference between the place value of 2 5s in 5058? So place value of 2 5s, one is 5000 and another is 50. So we have to calculate the difference between 5000 and 50. So what we will do, we will subtract 5000, we will subtract 50 from 5000. So 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 minus 5, not possible. Here is 0. So what we will do, we will take borrow from 5. Okay. 5, give 1 to the 0. So it will become 1 0 10 and here is 4 left. After giving 1 here, 10 will become 9 and 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5, that is 5. Here is 9, so we will write 9 here because here is no number, and 4. So answer is 4950. Okay. So 4950 is the answer. Okay. Now fourth question is 8300 is the same as how many thousand? 1300. Okay, so we have given 1300 and after giving 1 here, it will become 1300. So what is left here? 7. Yes. When 8000 is here, when it give 1 to here, so it will become 1300 and here is 7 left. So answer is 7000. Okay. Okay, so now we will read the story of 5 deers. Okay. So the 5 deer name is Goldie, Moldy, Doldy, Condi and Pandy. Okay. So the deer enjoy grazing in the meadows. What is the meaning of meadows? Meadows, it means garden. The distance each deer travel yesterday and today are given below. Here is the distance given below. They covered yesterday and today. Find out the difference between the distance traveled by each deer on both days. Okay. So they travel distance yesterday and they travel distance today. Now we have to find out the difference. Okay. So firstly we calculate the yesterday and today distance difference of Goldie. Okay. So here we write okay. So yesterday Goldie covered 825 meter and today 628 meters. So 825 minus 628. 5 minus 8, not possible because 5 is smaller than 8. So we will take borrow from 2. So after giving 1, 5 will become 1, 5, 15. And here is 1 left. Okay. So 15 minus 8, start backward counting. Okay. We have to subtract 8. So start backward counting from 15. So 14, 13, 11, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 7 is answer. Right here 7. Now 1. So 1 minus 2 is not possible. So we will take borrow from 8. After giving 1, here is 7 left and it will become 1, 1, 11. Now 11 minus 2. So again start backward counting from 11. 11, 10. Answer is 9. So right here 9 and here is 7 left. So 7 minus 6, that is 1. So 197. So the difference is 197 meter. Okay. Now we will calculate the difference of Maldi. Okay. Yesterday Maldi covered 800 meter and today 620 meter. So again Maldi 800 meter yesterday cover and today 620 meter. Okay, so 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 minus 2, now not possible, so we will take borrow from 8. After giving 1, here is 1, 0, 10 and here is 7 left. So 10 minus 2, that is 8 and 7 minus 6, that is 1. So 180 meters. The difference is 180 meter. Okay. Now we will calculate the difference of Doldi. Okay. So Doldi covered 343 meter yesterday and today 648. So 648 meter, 343 meter. Now subtract 8 minus 3, that is 5. So write here 5. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 3, we all know that 3. Okay. So the difference is 305. Okay. Now we will calculate the difference Condi. Condi covered yesterday 520 meter and today 636. So we will subtract this number from this. So 636 and 520. 6 minus 0, that is 6. 3 minus 2, 1. And 6 minus 5, that is 1. So Condi covered. Condi distance difference is 116 meter. Now we have to calculate the difference of Pandi. 450 meter and 660 meter. Yesterday Pandi covered 450 meter and today 660 meter. Now we will subtract 450 from 660. Okay. So 660, 450. Okay. Pandi. So 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 5, that is 1. 6 minus 4, that is 2. So difference is 210. Okay. So we have calculated the difference of all these there. Okay, so here our today's class is finished. I hope you understood all the things.